Hello friends, this is a small video on some of my seedlings that I have transplanted in the last say 2 months back. They have caught well and hopefully they'll be doing better in the next few months. So these are some of my seedlings that were sown in 2021. They are still in fine media so that they can root well and they can catch up. These are some of the gymnosperms, gymnocalaciums. The media is not very coarse. This is Echinomastus johnsoni. About 10 seeds sprouted, out of which I was only able to save one. This is a variegation coming in. And these are again some variegated ones. And this is a variegation. This one is a double-headed Asteris. This is a variegation that is coming up. So these are some of my seedlings that I hope in the months to come they'll be shifted into bigger pots and they'll also grow happily. Thank you so much for watching. Bye from the Cactus House.